Welcome to this video. In this video, I'll explain even if you have the right set of email ID and password, why you are not able to log in on our platform. So just to demonstrate the problem, let me go to a browser and let me try to access the CodeTantra portal. Generally what people do is they see the first link of CodeTantra and they click there and then they go to login page and then they'll try to log in. Now please understand, CodeTantra is a technological solution which offers technology to various prestigious institutions of this country, and we offer services like online teaching platform, coding platform, and proctored examination solution. And these solutions are adopted by various prestigious institutions of this country. Now for each institution we have got a separate login page. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to show you the difference of login page of various institutions. So in this case, I'm going to start with IIIT Bangalore. So you can see the login address is iitb.codetantra.com. And if I'll open this, I'll come here and here I can see the login. And once I'll go to the login, you can see I can see the logo of IIIT Bangalore. Similarly, I can type iitk.codetantra.com/login.jsp. And again I'll come to a similar login page, but this time the logo will change and this is a logo of IIT Kanpur. Now you can see even in the address IITK is prominently visible there. Similarly, I can go to iitg.codetantra.com/login.jsp and it will open a signing page. So this signing page is applicable only for the student of this institution, which is IIT Guwahati. This is applicable only to the student who are part of this institution, and similarly this is also applicable to only those students who are part of this institution. And chances are when you are entering your email ID and password here and still getting a wrong email and ID password notification there, this simply means you are trying to log in on a different website altogether. So the very first thing that you can do is please ensure you are visiting the correct web address and then you are entering your right password after verifying the logo of your institution here. If these two are correct, chances are you will be able to log in if you have logged previously with the same email ID and password. And if that is not the case, if you can see the forget password option, you can always enter your email ID. If that email ID is associated with your account, you can easily recover that password by clicking on to forget password, entering your email ID and recover. For more such guidelines, you can also contact your university or institution. They might have got some different protocol for setting the password or recovering it. So you can also ask the concerned authority in your institution. That's all. I hope this resolves your problem.